This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is my bacon, egg, and cheese waffle. Enjoy the video.
You gotta look in my eyes. Feel my pain, see my hunger, see the visions I see, visions. Read the storyline.
I love the sound of bacon. And the smell too.
When I get it, these motherfuckers are biting. Still line, intercept my flow, but I limit what I do for the pleasure of those. Yeah, I done said it. Anything goes. Limitations not my issue when it comes to flows. I got a vast.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call my classic bacon, egg, and cheese waffle. As you can see, it is packed with bacon. We have our egg oozing right out of there. And we have our cheese. And let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing. And just for decoration, just to bring it out, we are going to just glaze this baby right here with some syrup. And now it's about to get sticky and good. So there we have it, folks. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my classic bacon, egg, and cheese waffle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. There's much more to come. Kool Zone out.
I know it's a lot, but that's how I feel. We ain't get no breaks, just sweating up hills. Just look in my eyes, you feel what I feel. My vision is real clear. I'ma spill what I feel here.